Hello Rodriguez Knights, my name is Miss Boteo and I'm your art teacher. Today I'm going to show you how to access the art homepage through the specials class homepage. You will scroll down, you will find my Bitmoji. I'm the one that's painting. Go ahead and click on that Bitmoji. From there you will scroll down and you will find my virtual art studio. On the front page you can find information on how to contact me. You can find the schedule for specials classes. You will also find the link for the live Zoom meeting so that you can attend art during your scheduled time. This is a presentation. My virtual art studio will walk you through what we will be learning about today. At the very end of the presentation, you will have a chance to submit your art. If you forget how to submit your art, you can click right here. Coach Lopez has filmed a video showing you how to turn in different types of assignments. When you are ready to turn in your assignment, you're going to click this pink link right here. The link will be different colors for different grades. And this is where you will turn in your work. If you need to get back home to the specials home page, all you have to do is click the back home button and it'll take you where you started. Good luck! I can't wait to see your masterpieces.